Hello people. So I have to say this, yeah, over the weekend, no, मेरा बुरा हाल था. It was like really bad, okay? So no, but then like I went and got myself tested and it was a negative. So I'm so grateful about that. But in this whole journey, I just learned that something as simple as steaming can make you, it's like your lungs can get clogged because of, there is that kind of virus in the air. And also steaming, this is I was doing a lot of gargling last week, but steaming is what makes a big difference. So when you do steaming, you can just feel your lungs open up and you can start breathing more clearly. So I think I'll go and do steaming now. But really, and steaming also helps with the skin and the face and all. So try it out, people. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.